Today I am doing a wand curl tutorial. I have blown out my hair. I have kept it stretched with these twists. I'm brushing it out. I did use a heat protectant. I used a cream and I used a spray. I'm going to part my hair. I love wand curls because they are so timeless, and this hairstyle is perfect for any occasion. Here I started in the back. As you can see, it didn't turn out cute, but I'm going to recurl it. My best advice for wand curls is you're just going to have to keep practicing this style until you get it right. It's really about the placement of the wand curl, and you want to make sure you're being careful so you don't burn yourself either on your neck or your shoulder or even your fingertips. So I would definitely recommend using a glove. This style is so timeless, like I mentioned, and I just love how uniform or ununiform the curls are. It gives so much volume and body to the hair. I had used two different hairsprays, the L'Oreal one and the got2b. I really love the L'Oreal one. So as you can see, the curls are coming out very cute. And I actually posted this video on Facebook. Someone had some negative things to say about this style. And what I will say about this is I like this style. The person pretty much reposted this video to make fun of it. And that comes with posting on the internet. People are going to make fun of you. But I just continue to post because I know what my purpose is behind posting. And a lot of times people who don't have the confidence to post will make fun of people. And I just told myself, you know what? I'm going to keep going because I know why I'm posting. I post for women that look like me, to inspire them to learn how to do their natural hair. And I'm just here to represent that. So as you can see, it is turning out so cute. And I use small sections. Here it is completely done. I love how it turned out. And like I said, as the day goes on, it's going to get bigger and bigger. On this particular day, it was hot, so it didn't last that long, maybe a day, day and a half. But I just love this style. And then I did a little makeup. I would say this is full glam. I did a neutral eye look. Thank you guys for watching.